Hi students, warm welcome to all of you to this concepts and snippet session. Today I am going to discuss with you a very interesting part in chemistry called environmental chemistry. As you know, we are living in a world of pollution. There is noise pollution, there is air pollution, there is water pollution, and the government is seriously thinking about measures to reduce pollution. So, what is environmental chemistry? Environmental chemistry is the branch of science which deals with chemical phenomena that occurs in our environment, which has harmful effect on living beings. Environmental chemistry is the branch of science which deals with chemical phenomena that occurs in our environment, which has harmful effects on life. These harmful effects are caused by species or physical effects called pollutants. So, environmental chemistry deals with the study of origin, transportation, effect, and fate of pollutants. For example, too much of noise creates pollution. Human ear can tolerate up to a sound intensity of 60 decibel. When the sound intensity is more than 60 decibel, we will have our ear problem will cause, or it may lead to deafness also. So, sound is a type of pollution. Too much of smoke is a pollution. Excessive use of fertilizer is another form of pollution. So, a pollutant may be a physical effect or a chemical species which has harmful effects on life. Basically, there are three types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, and soil pollution. We are very much concerned about air pollution than water and soil pollution. Why? Air pollution is very harmful because compared to the quantity of food and water we take air almost 15 to 20 times. The amount of air we take in is 15 to 20 times more than the amount of food or water we take. So, we are very much concerned about air pollution. Okay. So, let us see the types of pollution. So, environmental chemistry deals with the origin, transportation, effect, and fate of pollutants. Pollutant may be a physical factor or a chemical species. Okay. So, types of pollution basically there are three types of pollution. There are three types of pollution, namely one, air pollution, two, water pollution, and three, soil pollution. Remember, all these are interconnected. When air is polluted, automatically water will be polluted, automatically soil will be polluted. But as I told, air pollution is of serious concern. Okay, it is to create awareness among the public about the effect of pollution. June 5th is celebrated every year as World Environment Day. It is the duty of every citizen of this world, every person of this world, to be responsible to protect our environment. Remember, June 5th is considered as the or celebrated as the World Environmental Day. Okay, so air pollution is more toxic because the quantity of air we consume is almost 10 to 15 times more than 10 to 15 times more than the quantity of water or food we consume. Okay, right? And air pollution is caused by different types of pollutants, and majority are gaseous pollutants and others are particulate pollutants that we are going to discuss in detail in our next session. Remember, air pollution is mainly caused by gaseous pollutants and minute particles called particulate pollutants, right? So, gaseous pollutants, and two particulate pollutants, are the two major type of pollutants which cause air pollution. Now let us discuss a simple question. Which are the important gaseous pollutants? Important gaseous pollutants are oxides of carbon, oxides of nitrogen and sulfur. Okay, oxides of carbon, sulfur and nitrogen are the important gaseous pollutants, For example, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, oxides of carbon, SO2, SO3, oxides of sulfur, N2O, NO2 and NO, oxides of nitrogen. These are all gaseous pollutants. Out of these, SO3 is considered as the most toxic gaseous pollutant. You know why? Because it causes acid rain. We are going to discuss what is acid rain, what are the effects of acid rain, etc. in our subsequent sessions. I hope you have a preliminary idea about environmental chemistry and the types of pollution and the types of gaseous and particulate pollutants. Okay, thank you.